Morning, guys. How are you? Okay, so today my main watch are Tesla, Netflix, and Nvidia. You have all the levels on those three stocks on my watch list. We have data coming up at 10, so 30 minutes after the market opens. So we're gonna have to wait until after that data to play anything. So let's be patient and see what's gonna happen after data, because right now I'm not looking to play anything. um Also, I don't think the market's gonna move much before data, or at least not like a real move that it's gonna hold. So we'll see. So far the Q is looking bearish, same with the SPY, both are rejecting um the yesterday high. I'm looking at Nvidia here, because if Nvidia cannot hold here, I think it can go lower and retest 450. And Tesla is rejecting 240. Yeah, I did exit everything. I'm only holding the Q puts. It's the only thing that I'm holding. I don't feel like swinging too much this week, because we have important data coming up today and tomorrow also. I think tomorrow is PMI. So PMI is gonna be very important for Fed's next speech, which is in September. But yeah, PMI is very important, and I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for data at 10. I don't remember at what time, what price I got into those QQ puts, but I think it was around 366. Yeah. I like so far how Tesla is looking. If today can hold above 240, for me that's bullish. I like this daily candle how it's using previous resistance, like yesterday's resistance and Monday resistance, as support. Oh no, this is the weekly. Well, even better. The weekly looks even better. Daily here. Yeah, I want to see Tesla over 240 and holding it as support. But yeah, let's just wait until data. I'm kind of bullish for the market this week, but data can change everything. The weekly candles on everything, mostly like SPY and the Q, are looking bullish so far. But I think it's gonna depend of today, because if today we have a bullish move, the weekly candle is even more bullish, and I'll be looking to swing calls. Yeah, we'll see. So, um, yesterday everything moved in a range. Like if you guys see Nvidia here, pretty much everything looked the same. Tesla, Q, Spy, everything moved in a range. So this is my plan for today. Um, Nvidia, the yesterday high, if you can break it, if can hold this previous resistance as support, which is around a little bit above, it's around 465. That's bullish. And yesterday had a lot of um consolidation here near resistance. So for me, that's bullish. Um, if loses 464, and it's bearish. The other one that I'm looking is Tesla, the 240 level. We want to see it holding as support. So basically, if it can hold 240 as support, I think it can go easy to 244. And my favorite chart, even though right now it's not looking too good, is um Netflix. I like how Netflix yesterday like held and consolidate below resistance for 18, around for 18's previous support, broke there. Now it's acting as resistance, so I want to see around for 18.50 for 19 holding as support for continuation. AMD, I don't like how AMD is moving, so I'm not looking to trade AMD again. So yeah, I'm only holding Q puts. Those are down, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see how data's gonna move that. If it breaks yesterday high, I'm gonna have to get out. If rejects yesterday high, um that's confirmation that the market is bearish, or at least for today. Market's gonna be bearish, so let's just wait. So far, Tesla is the one that I like the most. Also, Nvidia. Both these two. It's the one that I like. Netflix I like too. I'm also watching Netflix. I also have Netflix on my screen. We'll see. We still need to wait for data. Gonna come up in like 22 minutes. Everything's like a key level. So SPY and QQQ are both at yesterday high. We wanna see it either reject her or break it and use it as support. Nvidia is weak. Tesla is a little stronger. Netflix looks weak. So it looks like the Q is weaker than SPY so far. Well, it's been like that the past few weeks. SPY definitely weaker than tech. Yeah, we just gotta be patient here. AMD. AMD is holding pre-market high as support, but look all this AMD like it needs to break 104. If it breaks 104 and can use it as support, I think AMD can keep going higher. But I'm not looking to trade AMD honestly. Fear. Mm-mm. Like everything's gonna. It honestly, I don't think it matters anything right now until what's the ticker symbol? I don't think anything matters right now. You can everything can look bullish or bearish right now, but until we have data coming up, um, yeah, you need a firm to break this resistance here. If it can break this resistance here, it's gonna go to 22, but so the resistance is a little bit below 20. So you need you needed to break this resistance here. So I will wait for a break and retest. It could be doing a weird head and shoulder also, but I don't know. I don't think anything matters until we have the data coming up. So far everything looks very bullish, strong. Maybe somebody knows something, I don't know. But I don't trust this move again until we have data. At 10. So let's be patient for 17, 18 more minutes, and that's it. But so far, it looks like SPY, both SPY and QQQ wants to run. Yeah. So if Q can break yesterday high and hold it as support, it's very bullish. And next resistance 370 and then 372. Everything's moving. Not only the Q, everything's moving. Waiting for data. But I don't care what the market is doing right now. You can do anything. It can go up and then data comes up and then goes back down hard. So let's just wait. No, I don't do butterflies. The market really wants to go. Buenos dias, Brian. Yeah, everything's pumping. So Netflix broke 418. Again, I'm not gonna take anything until data comes up. I might miss all my entries, and that's fine. If I miss all my entries, I'm not gonna chase. Me love right now Tesla and Netflix. The Q is extremely bullish. Like extremely. The Q and Spite. Spite's a 444. So 14 more minutes. Damn, Tesla I think is gonna go without me. Same with Netflix. And Nvidia and the Q. Damn Q. My Q puts are must be so down that it's not even worth it selling it. They're probably worth nothing. But they are for end of the week, so anything can happen. Yeah, the Q is extremely strong. I don't know why the market is moving like that. Maybe somebody knows something they already know. Yeah, I'm not taking anything. Maybe the market knows already what's gonna happen, and it's just gonna keep flying, and I just gonna miss my entire just gonna miss all my entries, but I honestly don't care. We need to be patient, and the probabilities that taking a trade here and going against us are big, so I'm not gonna take anything right now. We have 10 more minutes. Yeah, what matters is making money, not trading. Okay, so spies rejecting 444. Most of the time when we have a move like this with news, I don't really pay attention to those moves. Like I don't get out of my trade when the market moves like that with news. I don't know. We need to wait. Like nobody knows what's gonna happen in the future. You just gotta wait and see what the market is telling you. A reversal confirmation will be a big engulfing red candle. So far, you don't have that. You only have like a small red candle, and that can be only like a little deep consolidation, and that's it. An engulfing candle is a candle bigger than the one before. The body, the entire body. So this is an green engulfing candle because the body is bigger than this one. So that will tell you that the market is changing direction. This is an engulfing candle because it's bigger than the one before. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so spies rejecting 444, a little bit, not really. 5 more minutes. It looks like the market knows something. if keeps going higher before the data, they know the data is gonna be good. Nvidia is so bullish. Four more minutes. Let's see. Yeah, if it is a trap or not, if they know what's gonna happen or not, it doesn't really matter. We just need to wait. For us, doesn't really matter for us. We just need to wait, be patient and wait and see if we're gonna hold key levels or reject, and that's it. So far, Tesla, Nvidia, and Netflix are the one that I like. The same ones that I had on my pre-market plan. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, 2 more minutes. But Tesla wants to boom boom. Tesla wants to boom boom. Mm-mm-mm. The market is holding very, very good. 10 seconds. Okay, it's 10. I'm just gonna wait and see if how these 5 minute candles are gonna close. If the SPY really closes like strong. I'm getting out of my Q boots because there's no reason to hold that. Well, I'm gonna hold in a little bit. Those are down 60%, so just gonna wait. I'm getting ready to get Netflix weekly 425 or 30 420, up to you which one you want to get. Yeah, I just got a failed on that rejection there. Watch Tesla here if you can break 244 and hold it as support. I entered Netflix for 20, for 25, and for 30 goals weekly. And I wanna enter Q calls, but I'm gonna wait and see any like consolidation, pullbacks. Yeah, it looks like the data was very, very good. I don't know. I don't really read data, but um, looks like the market like it. So I was listening a podcast yesterday, and apparently data now doesn't, it needs to be not too good and not too bad for next Fed's speak, because with these data that we're having today and tomorrow, um Feds are gonna decide if they want to pump rate hike or down. Look, Tesla's so strong. But yeah, I got Netflix, so I'm gonna put Netflix here. Netflix had a lot of consolidation under resistance, which is very bullish. Well, I'll explain that or on my Discord. Nvidia crazy strong. It's going to 480. Watch here if SPY is gonna it's gonna double top. Tesla is like crazy strong. Puts? No. Why would you type puts? The market is crazy strong. Calls. Calls. Even though it can reject here, I'm in calls. I can look a firm right now. Like I already told you what to wait, what to look on a firm. It needs to break that resistance that I told you. I'm not gonna trade a firm. If Tesla give me a pullback to this level here, um, I'm gonna look to play calls. Okay. So SPY is having a double top here. Let's see, we need a SPY to break here. No, I'm not in mass. Yeah, I did enter Netflix. Damn, Nvidia is crazy strong. Come on, Tessie, give me a pullback. Everything is very strong. Everything but Disney and Meta. Looks like we're double topping here. Obviously, it's gonna be down if you took the calls here. You gotta be patient. My stop loss is under 417, so you guys need to have a plan and be patient. You cannot freak out just because Netflix is like giving you one red candle when it's still above support. And also, SPA is kind of like trying to go lower here, which it looks like it wants to retest previous resistance. Now should act as support and it's double topping. So you need to understand like trading, you're gonna lose money. You're gonna have red trades, but the key is to make more money than you lose money, right? And nothing goes like straight up. You're gonna have like red candles. Obviously, Netflix can turn around and be under 418 and lose VWAP, and that will be bearish. But so far, it's holding. My PT is this high here, 435. So you can use any stop loss as you want. You can use a VWAP, you can use 418. I'm gonna be patient on this one. Yes. Well, that's my plan. If my stop loss is 417, but my target is, let's just say I enter in around here. My stop loss is 418, 417. I'm sorry. But my PT is 436, almost 437. Let's just go with 436. Let's see, what's this? Is 436.95 around there. So look this risk to reward. This risk to reward is 5.65. So it's amazing. Amazing. You guys need like see what's your risk to reward. Also don't enter if you don't have a stop loss or you don't know what you're doing. Damn Tesla. I will take this trade like any day, even if it goes against me. Any day. Oh, it's 5.62 risk to reward. It's amazing. Everything above 2 is good. The play was Tesla. Yeah, I did enter it this week. Why did Tesla have to run before data? Like Tesla 240 was the play. Same with Nvidia. Nvidia, I wanted to try Nvidia so bad, but running before data was a no-no for me. Okay, so yeah, they need to release it pre-market, definitely. Mm-mm-mm. Mm, see Lulu, what's doing? Oh yeah, Lulu. Let's see if we can break this. Well, honestly, missing out, there's nothing you can do about it. Like that's trading, and I think we need to be we need to be comfortable missing out plays because we're not gonna be able to take everything that looks good. In fact, what if you enter early but the data was bad and the market goes against you? So the smart thing to do is just wait. Wait until data comes out. Now we know the market is bullish. So on any pullback into like strong support, we take calls and that's it. take calls on any pullbacks. Like I'm here waiting for Tesla to give me a pullback here, and I'm just being patient. If never gives me a pullback, I'm not gonna enter here because that will be chasing in the middle of like a range here. So because my PT on Tesla is 252. Hi, Robin. But I'm very happy with Netflix, even though it's not moving too much. I think Netflix is gonna move like Netflix always does its own thing. So as long as Netflix keeps holding above 418, 419, it's very bullish. Obviously, I would love to see Netflix do a Nvidia or Tesla move, but I'm just gonna be patient. The key on trading is trusting on your level and your analysis. And that's what I'm doing on Netflix. Like if you are on my Discord, you know Netflix, what I was looking on Netflix. On Tesla and Nvidia. Like I'm very happy even though I didn't took Nvidia or Tesla. I'm happy because my analysis was good. I was right on what I was looking on the chart. And that's very important. So that gives you confidence that you're looking the market the right way and you're good looking at levels. So that way next time that you see your levels um and you have the opportunity to enter that trade, you're gonna enter because you know that your levels are good. You know that you can trust on your TA. So yeah, pretty happy with Netflix. Okay, let me watch. Um, AI 31 looks like a strong level of resistance. Like it needs. I don't think it's gonna break it today. Honestly, I don't know if you're in calls or your PT. If you're in calls, it should be 31 because look here, resistance, resistance, resistance. I'm sorry, support, 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 resistance here. So 31 is your level to watch on AI. If breaks 31, the next one is around 33.50, 34. But I find it a little bit difficult that AI in just one day is gonna break 34, 31. I'm sorry. Because 31, it looks like a strong, yeah, like a strong, look this, strong level there. You can wait and see. I will take like 90% of my profits here. Maybe just wait and see if the market is gonna boom. But yeah. Amazon. I don't know. Amazon, maybe holding 134, but I don't know. Honestly, I don't like this chart. I don't like this chart. Like it's not telling me anything. Like I don't see anything that I love. Yeah, it kind of looks bullish today, but it has like it has a little bit of resistance here. What it's rejecting right now, it has support around 133, but I don't love this chart, honestly. I think there's so many things way looking way better to trade. I don't have a percentage. I take out profits at resistance. So if I'm in calls, I take on next PT, I take profits on my next PT, or if I see that the stock is struggling at certain like level. Like I'm gonna be looking to take profits around 428 because I see a little bit of resistance here. Um Maybe around 426 also. It just depends, and also depend how much it's wrong. Like if I'm 100% up, I just take some profit because why not? But honestly, I don't have a percentage like this is when I take profit. No, I go more with levels. So what's my next resistance? I will look to take profit there. Like around 428 is the one that I see like it's a little bit, it has a little bit of resistance around 424, but the main one I see here it's 428. So I'm gonna take a lot of profit here, and then I'm just gonna leave runners for the 436 level. But yeah, um 424 has a little bit of resistance here. We can see it around 424, 425. 428 definitely like a stronger resistance here, and you can see it here, all here, and then the main one is 436.50. Okay, let's see what the Q is gonna do here at 372. 372. Yeah, 372, almost a little bit below 373. Looks like resistance on the Q. But SPY broke 444, 445, like didn't do a double top. So that's pretty bullish, and maybe the Q does the same. I don't know. We just need to wait and see. So that's how I do it. Like I just go by levels and see, just be patient and wait what's gonna happen there. I don't try to guess. I just wait and see how it's gonna react there, and that's it. Also that I was asked, I just got a DM asking me for more trades, and I don't think the right way to trade is taking a bunch of trade. It just with just one good trade is more than enough. One good trade, more than enough. Why is the market like gap up like that? That's insane. Or maybe it's trading view. Do you guys have like a gap like that on everything? Oh, so it's trading view. That's weird. That's weird. So Nvidia just used 480 as support, which is very, very bullish. Let's see. Next resistance on Nvidia. Oh, it's near. It's 486. All this. So it's all this 480 from 4. That's not a big resistance, like big level of resistance. From 485 85 till 490. But I think as long as the Q and SPY keeps going higher, everything's gonna keep going higher. Oh, okay. Mm-mm-mm. But yeah, pretty happy with my trading, with my Netflix trade, and also very happy that I was patient enough to wait for my level. Tesla and Nvidia were the other ones that I was looking, but they both were too far from my entries. So yeah, being disciplined on trading is extremely important. I think we need more likes. Only 40 likes with 100 people here. Who's on Netflix with me? Yeah. So let's see. I'm up a lot on Netflix. Yeah. I'm up 48% on the 425 calls, 36% on the 435 calls, and 35% on the 430 calls, and 50% over 50% on the 420 calls. So why did you got out? Like, why? Why? Like, let's go over that because um I think it's very like if you enter a trade and you just take profits whenever you see green, you're not gonna like grow your account. It's gonna be very difficult because anytime you have a red day, those red days are gonna wipe out your gains. You need to have like big gains, like percentage wise, and small losers. Like you can be a trader when you lose 50% of the trade and you win 50% of the trade, but if your winners are like huge percentage, that it means like your account's gonna be growing and being green all the time. Yeah, but even if you have one contract, that is no excuse. Because Netflix, like, let's go over just why I took Netflix and why is I'm sorry, but it's dumb selling Netflix like early. Okay, so first of all, okay, let's go over what was the plan, why I took Netflix, and why there's so far there's no reason to sell. Oh, thank you, David. I appreciate that. Thank you. First of all, um, let's go over the plan. What was the plan and why I took Netflix? So it was very, very easy plan. I'm gonna take out my everything. So if you say I'm gonna take profits here because I only have one contract, I will say okay here, yeah, because I said at 424 it's a little bit of resistance here, so yeah, I will take it. But okay, the plan was very easy. Previous support, it was acting as resistance. I was just gonna wait and see if Netflix could like break this resistance and use it as support. That's it. Very simple. You don't need like very simple basic TA, basic technical analysis. That was the plan. That's it. So, um how to hold anything longer. So, if your plan or at least my plan is holding like it's trading Netflix if can break this 418 level and hold it as support as long as it's above this level, it's bullish. That's one. Second one, look the bigger time frames. Like the 15-minute candles are all green and doing higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. That's another one. Third one, you have the 90 MA and the VWAP acting as support, and they're both going higher. So that's telling you the uptrend is up. Like the uptrend is still there. Um, and yeah, so like you can also do something like this. Like I always tell people that you can do something like this. If you don't see it, you can do something like this. Okay, so this is your previous resistance. Now it's acting as support. Now what's your next resistance? It's here. Again, it's using this resistance, previous resistance, got broke out, acting as support. Another level. You go to the next one. What's your next resistance? Your next resistance is around here. Broke that resistance, is above that resistance. The next one. If you wanna like, if you don't wanna hold for longer, that this can be your next one here or even here. You can either or. I will say something like here because the 90 MA is here. So you can maybe go down here and you want to see it holding around here. If you're a scalper, that will be, you can also do something like this. Like there's so many ways that you can keep like holding And only having one contract is not an excuse when you have such a clear, easy uptrend. And I just said it, like 424 is your next resistance. Yeah, it's kind of rejected there, but it's still holding. So if you're only holding one contract, I will, like, if you're kind of scared, you don't like how the SPY is looking, just sell at your next resistance, which is 424. That was your sell there. But yeah, that's how I do it. Like, very easy, very simple. Very, very simple. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink anything. Just go, what's my next resistance? This one. Okay, it's using that resistance as support. What's the next one? This one. It's using that resistance as support. What's the next one? Here. Using your resistance is way above support, so it might go back down and retest it. I don't know. But so far, it's holding. But yeah, it can go lower, yeah, for sure. But yeah, 424, if you only had a one contract, 424 was, it could be like the one that you say, okay, I'm gonna take profit here and I'm happy with my trade. And that's it. If you're trading with emotions, there's a few things that you're doing wrong. First of all, maybe you're taking a trade that is too expensive for your account. Maybe you're taking too many contracts. Or maybe you chase. Like, those are the three main things that I see people why they get scared trading. You're just putting too much money on the line for one trade, or you're chasing, which is pretty much the same. If you have too many contracts for your account, if you're having even one contract but it's too expensive for your account, that's pretty much the same. If you're chasing, all three means you're having too much money on something that you don't feel comfortable doing. So yeah. Okay, I want to see how these 30-minute candles are gonna close both on the SPY and the Q, because if they close like this with a wick at the top, I'm gonna play the downside on futures. So basically, I'm gonna wait for this. This is what I'm gonna look on the 30-minute candle. Display. That's a reversal um candle pattern, but I need it to be like this small, like this pin bar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait and see if this 30-minute candle is gonna close like this, like a pin bar. It doesn't matter the color. For me, it's the same if it is red or green, as long as it is as long as it has like a smaller body than the wick at the top, and then like 4 minutes before the candle closes, I'm gonna play the downside. So it's basically display. Yeah, but I like to wait for the 30-minute candle. I know the 50 minutes showing like that, but this one, it can change to up or down. So I've been playing that, exactly that candle pattern on ES, on future. It's been working very good. But yeah, it could reject here, go lower already because the Q is right at resistance at 372. It kinda, yeah, this resistance here. But if it doesn't close like that, I'm not gonna play that. Like a lot of things are doing that. Like Nvidia, it's showing the same pattern here on the 30 minutes. So you can play Nvidia, you can play SPY, you can play the Q, is also doing the same. But I'm gonna wait still 30 minutes until the candle close. I'm gonna wait until 3 4 minutes until this 30-minute candle closes. It's gonna be a quick scalp, so don't expect too much from it. Um, so I'm getting ready here to take it on futures, but it looks like it's gonna go lower without me. But I like more how the Q is looking for that play. I'm gonna wait like 3 4 more minutes to take it. So with the futures account right now, I don't really need to trade much, just like get in and out because I already have all my evaluation accounts above 3K. So I just need to maintain those accounts above 3K for like 5 more days and that's it. Hmm. So yeah, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna take it on this account. Like if closes like these, I'm not interested. I needed to have like a big wick at the top and like a small body at the bottom. This one. No, I'm not doing the small account challenge anymore until I see the market is good for swing trades. If the market is not good for swing trade, I don't think scalping or day trading is good for a small account. Even though I think I'm gonna swing trade Netflix, um, yeah. Yeah, I don't think this candle is gonna do that because it needs to be like a like inverse hammer for me to do that. Yeah. Let's see. Everything can change still. It had 8 more minutes to close. But yeah. Netflix looking beautiful. Look easy. Still in an uptrend. Like there's why touching this one? No need. The 3 minute, yeah, the 3 minute can get you out like very fast, but that's why I like using the 5 minute. But yeah, yeah, it looks like it wants to break resistance. So that play that I was talking about that I was gonna take on futures, it's no valid so far. We still have 7 minutes to close that candle, but yeah, so far it's just looking very bullish. And Tesla, it's kind of having trouble here near 252, my level. So yeah, I have a YouTube. I do live streams on YouTube. I kind of want to see the Q 30-minute closing like this, but this will mean that the market is gonna go down, and that's gonna mess up my Netflix trade. But yeah, Tesla is looking like that. So if Tesla closes here like this, I'm gonna start taking Tesla puts here. Yeah, 245 puts. It's gonna be a quick, like I said, a quick an NQ. I like NQ here also. Quick play. NQ also. Let's just take one because I don't need much. So I took one NQ contract for more downside. I like how NQ is looking here. If you are on Netflix, I will take some profits right now because I think NQ is gonna like go down. And same with Tesla. Tesla is looking just like NQ. I'm gonna take another one. Yeah, I did. Tesla boots is not gonna be a big play. It's just a scalp. So if you have a small account with one contract, I don't think you're gonna do much. But up to you. My stop loss is this week, like pretty much today's stop. Um, I do like it. I just find it a little bit like I trade futures watching QQQ and SPY because I feel weird that and yeah, futures doesn't have gaps. I don't know. I still don't like. I guess because I'm so used to it to trade SPY and the Q, kind of feel more comfortable trading looking at those two charts. But yeah, I do like it a lot. Oh, nice. Hi. Hi, Chef. But I like how easy it is to trade them, to trade futures on TradingView. It's like extremely easy, like too easy. Ooh, okay. You show gaps. Okay. But yeah, I trade futures watching SPY and the Q, which for a lot of people it's weird. It's gonna be very weird. But for me, it's like very like normal. That's how I do it. That's how I trade futures. Yeah, buy and sell and that's it. It's very easy to trade futures on TradingView. On anything. Like you don't need to put like even when you trade options on like on fast brokers, you still can have a little bit trouble like um getting filled or getting out or maybe bad filled. Not always, but sometimes. Let's see because it's looking a little bit bullish. Yeah, trade of eight. Uh-huh. Mm, 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 mm. I know a lot of people watch the dollar. I don't really. I don't like watching too many things at the same time. I'm like very simple. Like I use I just use SPY and the Q. That's it. I don't watch the dollar or bonds, any of that. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. But we'll see. Or maybe, yeah, spy. This is starting to do it. The Q is holding. I feel if I start watching too many things, I'm gonna have like analysis paralysis. Yeah, that I'm gonna overthink everything. I just like watching levels. Yeah, you can exit. Up to you guys. You don't need to follow me on anything. Like don't follow me. Like don't follow anyone. I mean, looks like a bull flag on a uptrend. What's Netflix doing? Okay. So for this, ES looks way better than the Q. But we'll see. No, I don't use the 20 SMA or any, only 90 MA and VWAP. I don't use any other indicator. I only use levels, only like support and resistance. That's it, nothing more. 90 MA and VWAP, I have it on the 5 minute chart, but I still sometimes like turn it off because sometimes don't even work when the market is choppy. Like I don't really think you need any like any SMA or any like indicator. Just learning how to read the candles. Let's see if it is gonna work out or not. Almost there, almost. Nvidia is losing 90 MA on the 5 minutes. Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Maybe not. It looks like it's not. I don't think it's gonna work out. It looks very bullish. But we'll see. What time? It's 11. I shouldn't be here this time. Let's see. Netflix looking great. It's gonna stop me out. It looks like it's gonna stop me out. Yeah, it's in an uptrend. Calm down. Like, this is my trade and I have my stop loss where I want my stop loss. So if you if you got out, that's fine. That's your trade. Good for you. Like, I'm not telling you what to do. So if it breaks out, it's fine. Like I'm not putting money, like I'm not willing to lose. Like, calm down. You do you, I do me. Like if you're freaking out on a $800 loss, that's you. Like, yeah, like trading is like that. Like the trade can go easily against me, but I have my stop loss there. Like if it is not at my stop loss, I'm still on the trade. And yeah, I can lose $1,000. That's fine for me. Like, that's okay. I can, like, if the trade goes against me, I can lose like $1,000. But if it goes how I want it to go, I can make like 5 times that or 3 times that. So it's all about risk to reward. Besides, I'm already making a lot of money on Netflix. So, like, a lot. So I'm good. If you're freaking out on this trade, just hit the like button on the video. I have 27 contracts on Netflix. That is not wrong. Like, I have my stop loss. Like, how is that wrong? I have my stop loss there. Like, you can see it. that's how you trade. I'm not gonna change the way I trade just because you want me to cut losses before it hit my stop loss. Like, you need to calm down. Like, this is like, if my stop loss is here, my entry is here, my PT it's here, my stop loss is here. Like, this is a 3.61 risk to reward trade. That's very good. Yeah, it's in an uptrend, whatever. I have my stop loss. You don't, I'm not telling you to do what to do. So I never told you to take that trade. Yeah, that's it. Stop here. Bye. Like, you guys need to like calm down. Thank you, Zach. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm, mm-mm-mm. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, Netflix. Um, I'm getting out of Tesla. So I'm up 70% on the 425 calls on Tesla. On the 435, I'm up 61%. On the 430, I'm up 50, 55%. On the 420, I'm up 67%. So I'm up a lot on Netflix. And yeah, so I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna sell Netflix today. So you guys can take profit here, do whatever you want. It's already more than 50%. So 426, 424, it's kind of resistance here. So you can take some profit here. I'm gonna take more profits around 428. My main PT is 436. Is it gonna go there? I don't know. But yeah. Um But yeah, pretty happy with my trading day today. Um, yeah, only holding Netflix so far. Um, I don't know what TWS means. IBKR. Um, so yeah, the market looks pretty bullish. Um, pretty happy with my trade today. Watch SPY at 446 looks like it has a little bit resistance here. If SPY goes back down, we would like to see SPY using 445, 444 as support. Let's see. Yeah, the weekly is very bullish. I can see SPY going to 448. And let me see. If you're on my Discord, you probably saw what I said about the weekly chart on the Q and SPY. That both looking very bullish. And I was looking for both to fill the previous week. So this entire week. On the Q is already filled. On SPY 2, the next one is 448. That's your next resistance. Looks like it wants to go there. If it pulls back, watch for a pullback to 445, 448, and use it as support. Netflix is looking amazing. Love Netflix, what it's doing. Yeah, it looks like it wants to consolidate. And yeah, my next resistance is about, like I said, for around 428 is the next one. So I'm gonna put an alert there to sell a bunch of contracts. And then let's see what's my I think 424 can be a support here. So you can have a pullback to around 424. So I'm just putting alerts on my chart, or it can go back down to 420 on this little wick here, that 423. But yeah, I think as long as Netflix is above 422, 423, it's very bullish. Um, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for being here. See you tomorrow. Bye.